We have some exciting news today. This came in the mail today, and I'm multitasking because I'm still half asleep. Tillamook. I've done my face. I've washed my face, brushed my teeth, put on outdoor clothes, and drove to my mailbox. I have not finished my skincare routine yet. I have not eaten breakfast yet, but I'm really excited about this. This is from, the sticker on the back says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." I am excited to say that I did learn something new about this brand. Something that I've learned. Oh, I did not order this. Check this out. And I'm excited, even though these aren't for me, because I don't use sponges. This is one of the ones that has the thing on the back where you can put your fingers in it. Because I know a lot of people use these. I'm not touching it to my skin. I know a lot of people use these to put pressed powder under their eye. And there are 2 of these. What's ironic, I'll tell you what's ironic in a moment. And there's 2 of these type sponges. Forget what that is. I think that's the logo for the channel. I mean, for their brand. And one side is flat and one side is round, as you see. And there's 2 in here. And there are, I promise you I'm trying to move quick. Keep in mind that I am still half asleep. I do some of my best multitasking when I'm half asleep. And there are 2 stickers in here. There is, which way does it go? There's this sticker. And all of this will stay in here. And this sticker. So all of this will stay in this pouch. And this will pop up somewhere for someone who uses sponges. Those are very cute and very handy. I just don't use sponges. Look at my under nose redness. My invoice sheet. I am like hella excited about this because this is one of the brands that I am really into, that I really like. Salem Cosmetics. So here's the story. This is the In My Dreams palette. And I saw on Instagram before Instagram decided to break up with me. She did a real short stories or something. I think it was a story. And it said she had a few in stock. And there was also another post saying that if pre-orders would still, take a while because she's waiting for things to come in. But if it was something in stock that was already ordered, it would be delivered, shipped out the next day. I ordered this on May 14th. I received the shipment, the label creation on May 15th, and then I received another email that it was shipped on the 15th, and today is May 20th. I want to say the 20th. It's a Monday. And so there is a live stream tonight, but I'm going to go ahead and post this whenever this is done. So either the 20th or the 21st, but I ordered it the 14th. So if they have something that is in stock, you will get it within a week. You should get it within a week. And to be sure, you can always message her. So it says, Sassy Fairy at Salem Cosmetics. This is one of the collab palettes, and it says In My Dreams. And so this is the back. It's just a plain black. PAO is 12 months. We're going to open it up. You know what, y'all? I'm surprising myself how I'm really liking these 9-pan palettes because they have a lot of versatility to it. So this is what it is. You have to like blues, you have to like reds and pinks. And for me, these type tones don't really show up on me, but I'm sure they will serve a purpose because I've noticed that for me, Salem Cosmetics really are pigmented shadows. These 2 are the only shimmers in here. This appears to be a satin, but we'll see about the texture. So in a live stream, I will do swatches, and I'm going to post something on my community tab. And we're going to use this palette. Y'all know when I first get a palette, I do run through it. So this is not for, this looks like it has sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. This right here, it almost looks like a blue-black in person. But it does have some sparkles in it. There you go, you can see it there. And so I'm excited to use this, excited to see what I can do with it. And there was a code, so I did receive a percentage off. I do also now have a code for Salem Cosmetics. I know that the ship time is a deterrent for a lot of people. Just remember, if it's in stock, you'll get it fairly quickly. And to be sure, you can message her. And she is very responsive, but she has been to my messages, like respond within a day. So this is this palette. I'm excited to get into it. Thank you for being here with me for this unboxing. And you will see me tonight if you're able to come to the live stream. See you soon. Thanks.